we are making Saturday night movie popcorn, or Friday night, right? And from scratch. And I haven't done this since I was a kid. Me and my mom used to do this on Saturdays and make no popcorn. This is before microwave popcorn came out. So you ready? So you gotta show the
I haven't done this at all, but I'm excited to do it because it's a new thing to do.
And microwave popcorn is horrible for you anyway. It's all kind of chemicals and the lining of the bag because it's a big old mess. So this is what it tastes good. We're going to use 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. So put this in here. Have the pan is on medium-high heat. 2, and measure it out.
You start with my ancestors too.
Okay, you do this last one. Hold this. Be careful. And pour it in the pan and shake it. You lower the pan and pour it in the pan. Perfect. Perfection.
I just made it even better.
Test to make sure the oil is hot enough. I throw 1 clone in there. Or clone. Do it fast. Don't think about throwing it on there. It's hot.
Is it sizzling? Yep.
Yep.
So it's gonna pop shortly.
I saw it move.
Once it pops, you gotta pour the rest of them in there.
I saw it move. I went to the side.
Go ahead, Layla.
Here.
Pour it all in there. Oh, all right.
It's not gonna pop on you.
Yeah, you're supposed to cover it up. Yeah, otherwise it'll all pop up the pot. Listen to the sounds of the popcorn. Old school. Old school.
Okay, all right. We gotta use that. We gotta use that again.
Old school. Yeah, buddy. It might pop out of the pot.
Look at my
You gotta be ready for that. Gotta be ready for it.
Look at my popcorn dance.
You supposed to be cooking. You gotta pay attention.
Yeah, buddy. The masterpiece has arrived. Here we go, y'all. This is old school, man. I miss this. I used to do this when I was like my granddaughter's age, popping it for my mama. Me doing it. Yeah, buddy. Fresh popcorn. Here we go. Yeah, buddy. Man, that was a great turnout. Good job, ladies. Good job.
High fives.
Buddy, getting this butter popcorn.
Grass-fed.
Made, yeah, that's right. Made from scratch. Grass-fed butter. It goes down. Yeah, buddy, this is the way we used to do it back in the day when popcorn was good for you. The popcorn that they got now, too many chemicals, too many, what they call it?
Preservatives, additives,
yeah, all that. Too many of those. Too many of all that. This is the right way right here. Yeah, buddy, old school. We don't take it back old school. Let's go.
So I try it, Layla?